Nutritional disclaimer. What is vegan soul food? Many people get confused hearing the phrase vegan soul food. It's kind of like saying dry water or wet fire or something. This video is a companion to a blog article and an introduction to our healthy eating videos on somewholesome.com. Please be sure to share, comment, etc. But most important, we want you to learn here. So, with that, let's define vegan soul food. What is vegan anyway, and who are they? Vegans are individuals who avoid animal products for ethical, health, or environmental reasons, or maybe even a combination of all three. Instead, they eat various plant foods, including fruits, whole grains, veggies, nuts, seeds, legumes, and products made from those items. On our site, we have a vegan guide and links to the Vegan Society for more information. Now, just because food is from the South or Southern food does not mean it's soul food. But all soul food is definitely Southern in its roots. Soul food is considered an ethnic cuisine, basically prepared by African Americans in the southern parts of the United States. The expression soul food itself originates in the mid 1960s. That was a time when soul was a word used to describe African American culture. So, not having soul? Anyway, soul food is basic down home cooking that's been passed down through many generations with its roots in the South. Okay, so you know what? Let's get real here. The history of soul food came out of slavery. The master would give his or her enslaved captive scraps or the least desirable parts of the animal for food. That was like chitlin, which is pig intestines. One second. Blech. If you ever smelled that being clean, disgusting. They were also given the fat off a pig's back, tripe, or what's considered what's the cow's stomach, animal organs like lizards and gizzards, pickled pig's feet, cow tongues, and of course ribs. Now, when the colonizers brought slaves from Africa, they also brought sweet potatoes, okra, and wheat. And what we did was we took the memory of how to use herbs and spices and flipped it. Our people always makes the best things from nothing, similar to how hip hop was made in music and everything else we do. Soul food is not just food for us. The way we cook and prepare, the way we come together for weekends and holidays to enjoy life, but it's also other health issues as a community that can be traced back to our food. Obesity, diabetes, high blood pressure, and heart disease. All these come from the way we choose to prepare our food. And we just use too much processed foods, too much sugar, too much dairy, fat, and the meat we consume. Now, this is where we bring how vegans eat to soul food. The ingredients are like notes in a song. We can still make any genre of music, we just got to play the notes differently, but to a similar tone. The genre we like is soul food, and it's possible to get the taste we love and the health we deserve. So, for those wanting to change or expand on their choices, we're working with some of the best home chefs and professionals. And we want you to learn more about the famous Dr. Sebi, alkaline diets, traditional vegan recipes from Africa, and more. And we also have, of course, we have videos to show you how to eat vegan soul food on different occasions like holidays, summer gatherings, main dishes, desserts, etc. So as we end this video with images of soul food, vegan soul food, excuse me, be sure to subscribe, visit our website, and like. Thank you so much and have a great day.